वे राष्ट्रपति बने, मैं समझता हूं कि उससे पहले वे राष्ट्र रत्न थे। और ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि एक व्यक्ति पहले राष्ट्र रत्न बने और बाद में राष्ट्रपति पद को स्वीकार करें।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying tribute to the late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his 84th birth anniversary. Hailing him as a Rashtra Ratna, Prime Minister Modi highlighted not just Dr. Kalam's personal rise from humble roots, but also his contribution to the organizations that he led to greater heights. He said that the world's outlook towards India has changed. The country is now seen as a co-partner in growth development rather than just a market for goods and services. Prime Minister Modi also fondly recalled Abdul Kalam's passion for teaching and his ability to ignite young minds with power to think and innovate.
तेज गति से चलना है तो आने वाली पीढ़ियों को तैयार करना होगा और वो एक टीचर तैयार कर सकता है। राष्ट्रपति पद से मुक्ति के दूसरे दिन कलाम साहब की विशेषता देखिए, जहाज पकड़ के चेन्नई जाना, चेन्नई में क्लासरूम में पढ़ाना शुरू करना।
Addressing a gathering at the DRDO Bhavan, Prime Minister Modi also announced the setting up of a memorial at Rameshwaram, the birthplace of the missile man and the place where he has been laid to rest, that will inspire generations to come. Rameshwaram will also be developed as an Amrut city. As part of commemorations, Prime Minister unveiled a statue of Bharat Ratna Dr. Kalam at the DRDO Bhavan in National Capital. He also inaugurated a photo exhibition in the capital titled A Celebration of Dr. Kalam's Life. Meanwhile, in Hyderabad, the prestigious missile complex, which houses research units of DRDO, has been renamed after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
I think a person lives by his principle, and his name after centuries will be taken for his principles, guidance, and his contribution to this nation building, which I salute today. This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam complex, which will remind us that it should deliver.
With the renaming of this massive missile complex after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and the inaugurations of facilities for radar measurement and the futuristic research center for imagery called Kautilya, the stage is now set for many more marvels in the realm of indigenous defense manufacture.
The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Missile Complex, as it is known now, comprises of Advanced Systems Laboratory, Defense Research and Development Laboratory and RCI, which is considered the brainchild of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. With Sudhakar Das in New Delhi, Rudranath Sanyal's report, DD News, Hyderabad.